Hello, everybody, and welcome in this video. We're going to be talking about Asana Action Automation for Workflows. This is one of our workflow apps that you're about to install within your agency and connect to your Asana account. Execute action directly from your workflow for your Asana account. So let me show you how to set it up. At your agency view, you go at the app marketplace, you search for the app Asana, we go at install, select the sub account where we want the tool to be installed. Sub account one, we continue. We go at allow and install. We choose a plan, we confirm. You're gonna automatically open in your window where you just have to copy this custom menu link. You copy, you make sure it's copied, you switch back to your agency view in order to create a custom menu link. So we come down here at settings, custom menu links, create new. We choose an icon for our custom menu link. When we're done, type a name for our custom menu link. Here we paste the custom menu link URL that we copied. Scroll down, we select the sub account where we want to get all the tools. When you're done, you select whether it's a user or all the users you want to give access to. And when you're done, you make sure you save. The next step is to switch to the sub account. So look for the custom menu link. Actually, we decided to name our custom menu link Greg Apps. So if you guys decided to name your custom menu link my tools, make sure you have my tools here. So let's go on Greg Apps. Now we have apps available and connected apps. All the new apps that you're going to install within your agency will be available here. So we type Asana and you notice it doesn't pop up. It means that Asana is already connected. So if we go on connected apps, we will definitely see Asana. Here you go, we have Asana. Now let's pretend that Asana is not connected yet, and I'm gonna show you how to set it up, how to get the tool connected to your Asana account. So you go on setup, you have an information required in order to get the connection going, which is to provide the API key. But before we go any further though, you notice you have here how to get your API key. Actually, if you click on it, it will lead you to a smart queue that shows you how to get that API key. But let's switch to our account and get that key. Inside Asana, you come up here at the top right, settings, we go on app, we scroll down, come here, view developer console, we come down here at create new token, we type the name of the token, let's say check, we create a token. There you go. We copy, we switch back, we paste it, we submit. There you go. Now the tool is already connected our to our Asana account, and now you guys are able to execute actions directly from your workflow for your Asana account. So if you ever have any question, guys, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video, guys.